So today I'm going to show you a quick how to save Piskelapp animation and how to get started without using a sign-in on the site. I'm going to type in Piskelapp, first link. Then you have two options. You click Create Sprite, not the sign-in, up there or down here. Does not matter. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to create a simple drawing of some sort. So just to give me something to save, I'm just going to fill the background. I'm going to use the rectangle tool to just quickly draw something here. Forgot to select the green. You know, give myself something cool. You can create a lot of cool art. I'll make some more videos on how to use this site in more depth, but here is just kind of like a quick little artwork. Kind of make a video game sort of screen, kind of 1980s circa. Then when you're done here, what you can do is going to select the little save icon, the old floppy disk, for those who remember that. I'm one of those people from that generation. So I'm going to select that. Then here I'm going to select or type in, we'll call it 80s Piskel. You can put a description if you'd like. Sample. Select Save as Piskel. Now here it is. I've saved it. Now, just to show you how this reloads, so say you go home and you want to work on it again, just want to make sure to upload this to your Google Drive. So to do that, I would just go to my Google Drive. Select Drive, select New, File Upload. Takes a second to load. And now I should have my 80s Piskel right there. Select Open. And then this way it's online. So every time you make some changes, you want to save it and upload it to Drive as a different file. Then, now let's say I just reload this page. Now to open that back up, you have to select the import option. Select Browse Piskel Files, the second option here. Select your Piskel, select Open, select Replace, select OK, and there we have our file ready to go. So that is how you save a Piskel file without creating an account. Hopefully this will help you out. If you have any requests on how to use any feature of the website, let me know. I'm working on more samples. Take care. Thanks for watching.